Welcome to this video about buffering. Buffering is a fundamental concept in computer systems that helps us understand how data flows and gets processed smoothly. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what buffering is, why it matters, and how it works in the applications you use every day. Buffering is the process of temporarily storing data in memory before playback begins. Think of it as a waiting room where data waits before being used. Instead of playing data immediately as it arrives, buffering collects some data first and stores it in a temporary location called a buffer. This ensures smooth, continuous playback without interruptions. The key idea behind buffering is preloading content ahead of actual playback needs, which creates a safety cushion between incoming data and outgoing playback. Buffering works in three main steps. First, during initiation, a small portion of data is downloaded and stored in memory. Second, data transfer continues throughout the entire playback session as more content is downloaded. Third, during playback, the video or audio plays from the buffer while the download continues to fetch more data ahead. This three-step process ensures that there is always enough data available for smooth playback, preventing interruptions caused by network delays. Buffering provides four major benefits. First, it enables smooth playback with continuous content delivery without interruptions or stuttering. Second, it compensates for network variability by collecting data during slower periods to use during playback. Third, it reduces viewer frustration and improves overall user satisfaction by preventing constant stopping and restarting. Fourth, it maintains consistent quality throughout the entire playback session, regardless of changing internet speeds. These benefits combine to create a much better viewing or listening experience. Despite its benefits, buffering can encounter several challenges. Insufficient bandwidth occurs when internet speed cannot deliver data fast enough for playback. Poor network connection problems arise from weak Wi-Fi signals or unstable connections. Server overload happens when streaming servers cannot handle too many simultaneous requests from viewers. Device limitations occur when outdated or underpowered hardware cannot process data efficiently. Finally, network congestion results from too many devices consuming bandwidth at the same time. Understanding these issues helps explain why buffering sometimes fails to prevent playback interruptions. Several solutions can improve buffering effectiveness. Adaptive bitrate streaming automatically adjusts video quality based on available bandwidth, ensuring optimal playback. Content delivery networks, or CDNs, distribute content across geographically distributed servers so data travels shorter distances. Segment-based loading divides video into small chunks for efficient pre-buffering and faster loading. Using an Ethernet connection instead of wireless Wi-Fi provides more stable and reliable data transfer. Finally, careful buffer management optimizes buffer size and fill rates to achieve seamless playback. These solutions work together to create smoother streaming experiences. Buffer management involves four key techniques. Buffer size optimization adjusts buffer size based on network conditions and how fast the video is playing. Adaptive bitrate streaming dynamically adjusts encoding quality to match the speed of your internet connection. Segment-based delivery splits video into chunks for efficient preloading and playback. Fill rate control monitors and maintains optimal buffer fill levels continuously throughout playback. Streaming services use combinations of these techniques to provide reliable, uninterrupted video playback. Buffering is used everywhere in modern technology. Video streaming services like Netflix and YouTube pre-buffer content for seamless playback. Online gaming buffers incoming data packets to reduce lag and maintain player synchronization. Audio streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music buffer songs ahead for uninterrupted music playback. Web browsers buffer images and content to display pages faster. Buffering is an essential technology that powers the smooth digital experiences we rely on every day. Understanding buffering helps you appreciate how much engineering goes into making our favorite apps and services work smoothly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.